Marry me chicken on the Thermador Freedom induction cooktop. First step on our Freedom induction burner, we're going to turn this guy on right now. We're going to actually go and heat up the pasta water. We have 3 big pans to make our dish here. First one, click. We're going to jam all the way up. Scroll all the way up. We'll put it at 90% capacity. This is really where we're going to boil the pasta. We're going to heat this on the right up to about a 7.5 because we're going to get it ready to pan fry some chicken. And then I'm going to put the middle one on about a 4 because this is really where the end of the dish is going to end. So let's rock and roll. All right, a couple tablespoons of olive oil, go right into this pan, really set the mood here and get our chicken going. Great rolling boil, matter of minutes, pasta in, 6 minutes. All right, get a nice dice on this. Rock, there it is. It's gonna go right in our middle pan. A little bit of oil. Yeah, little touch of garlic in here going in with the onion. Sweat it down really nice and easy. Speaking of, 3 cooking surfaces right here, we're gonna push this down, check the responsiveness. Look at that, it's 60%. Wait till we take it up to 90% right now. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. See how reactive it is? We're already maintaining that boil. Sun-dried tomatoes coming in now that the onions and the garlic are nice and sweated. Chicken broth in. Look at the great color we're getting. Chopped chicken's gonna go right into our main dish right here. Look at that. Excellent. We're going to reduce the chicken stock down and then add our penne pasta, okay? Strain our pasta, nice dry, put it right into here. That starch is really going to soak up and thicken this pasta. Touch of cream. All right. A few tablespoons of red sauce just to beef it up a little bit and give it a great coat. Get all that combined. All right, very end of this dish, we're gonna bring it down to a nice warm. See where the 1.5 is? That's a keep warm. We're gonna keep that at 1.5, and then we're gonna add our cheese and finishings, okay? A couple cups of cheese in here, 1/4 cup grated. Nice drizzle of olive oil to finish. Herbs are up next. Yep. Nice, get this all stirred in. This will help with the consistency of our finished dish here. Look at that. Gonna finish with some fresh thyme. Just pop it in there like that, and some fresh basil, okay? Just twist it. Look at that, nice little look. Finish with these nice fresh basil leaves. Just get it in here nice and whole. It'll actually, on the keep warm setting, really melt in and add a lot of aroma and flavor. All right, guys, here's the finished dish. Really done nice and easy on the Thermador Freedom induction. 3 pots, finished. Let me get some of this pasta. Let me get all the sauce. Creamy, delicious, marry me worthy. Here's the best part of all when we're talking about induction. We're just gonna do a quick cleanup, take off all the heavy like this, clean, dry, microfiber. Look at that. Then mild soap right here. Just go right on top of it because it's still etched glass. You could use Windex, you could use things like that. Regular soap, just like that, nice and easy. Wipe up, dream. Look at that. Perfect and ready to go every time.